Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, man. How are you guys doing this weekend? And today we have the FT Edge, a beautiful aerobatic plane. This is an intermediate build. For you guys that don't know what a CPAC, because you need a CPAC motor is, in my opinion, I would think a CPAC would range between to cruise around, I would say 1,000 kV. For power, I would say anything between 1300 and 1805. It'll be beautiful. 30 amp or 40 amp will be beautiful for it. You need 4 9-gram servos. For the battery, you need 1300 or 1400 just for the aerobatics, in my opinion. For long flights, not even just long flights, just to cruise around or anything, I'll put a 2200. I'll sit it in the back and then I'm fine. Other than that, guys, if you guys are running 4S, you guys want to put a 9x5 prop or 945 prop, and make sure you guys do that so you guys don't burn your motor and your ESC. If you guys are running regular 3S, you guys can use a 10x45. Other than that, guys, I got this right here. Before we get into the build, this is a T28 beginner RC plane. It has 3 axes, which is beginner, intermediate, and expert level mode. There's a switch, you can switch it off and on. It's a beginner airplane. I feel like if nobody knows how to fly, this will be the perfect plane for you guys to start flying. Now, to enter in the giveaway, which is going to be March 20th, you guys need to like and comment on this video and just hit the subscribe button, guys. Other than that, it's literally that simple. And I will put your name in a box and I will literally pick it on March 20th. Every time I'm going to do a video, you guys have to hit this like button, guys. Smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, guys. I don't care where you guys are. I will ship it anywhere. It's not going to be a problem. I just want to make you guys happy. And just want to make sure somebody start the hobby off nice and in a decent, at least in a decent way, because that plane, you can't go wrong with it. Other than that, guys, we are ready to get back in the build.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Alright guys, and we're done just like that, guys. So this is what we came up with, guys. Really like it. I have to finish the top decal. I really want to put some type of vinyl on here to make it like transparent of some kind. Other than that, guys, it's pretty nice. I like the bright colors, just so I could see it spinning around. I'm supposed to be using the C-Pack on this. I'm using the B-Pack, if you guys can tell right here. Honestly, I really didn't need C-Pack power. I like just flying around no problem, just smooth. And I think it would just do the problem with everything with no problem. Literally, the only thing I think I need to fix is just I have too much slack right here. So I feel like I just have to take my linkage, one of my linkage stoppers, and just tighten it a little better, or probably just make this little hole right here smaller. But I'm using the Amazon 9-gram servos as well. I will leave in the description for those servos again. Other than that, guys, I'm using the Amazon 30 amp ESC. I will leave it in the description for that too as well. And that's it, guys. It's pretty nice. I like how the hatch is built. I just feel like if you were a little bit more precise with your cuts, everything will fall in line a little bit better. Just take your time, guys, always with everything. You don't even want to cut yourself as well. It's pretty bad if you cut yourself with one of those blades. But that's it, guys. It's pretty good, guys. So what's up, guys? We're here outside. It's kind of chilly, but I really wanted to get this Maiden up for you guys. Everything seems pretty good except for one thing. Hold on, give me one sec. I forgot to set up my dual rates, guys. I like to have everything on one switch. So I don't even know how I should throw this, but let's try. CG's right. I think it should be good. Yeah. Alright, guys, let's go. Pretty smooth. Could pick the CD up a little bit. Oh, that was nice. So yeah, guys, I barely had to trim it out. Very smooth. Rolls are very nice. Inverted. Let's check inverted. Beautiful. Yeah, guys. Other than that, I feel like I could bring back the CG just a little bit. It's pretty smooth. I really like this plane. See if I can bring it back. Invert it. There you go. Bring it back. So it feels like a fish in the sky to me. I really like this plane. I really had to trim it just a little bit on the ailerons. Let's go full race. I like this thing. Floor cell, guys. 1500 all the way to the nose. It likes to tip over the wing because I don't have the wing tips on there. But that's fine with me. This is amazing. I honestly don't want to bring her down. Ooh, I got lucky. Lucky I got that on tape, guys. Let's go check it out. I'm gonna let you guys know this now. I did not put the nose all the way on. Just because I knew something like this was gonna happen. I just wanted it to fall off without hurting my fuselage. Actually did. Exactly what I thought it was. So look. So all we have to do is go back home. And literally, just like so. Easy. Alright guys. So that was the maiden flight. This was the interesting one, guys. That was the maiden flight for the 540 Edge. You should always take out your battery as well as soon as you crash. Turn off your remote. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to make sure you guys are entered to win this RC plane right here. This is the best beginner airplane in my eyes, honestly, and I can't wait to give it to one of you guys.